To get money from your Social Security number, you must first understand what it is and how it is used. Your Social Security number is a unique identifier assigned to you by the U.S. government and is used to track your earnings and determine your eligibility for Social Security benefits. To receive money from your Social Security number, you must be eligible for Social Security benefits. This typically includes retirement benefits, disability benefits, or survivor benefits. To be eligible for retirement benefits, you must be at least 62 years old and have worked and paid Social Security taxes for at least 10 years. To apply for Social Security benefits, you can visit the Social Security Administration website or visit your local Social Security office. You will need to provide documentation such as your Social Security number, birth certificate, and proof of income. Once you have applied for benefits, you can expect to receive a monthly payment based on your earnings record. The amount of your payment will depend on your age, earnings history, and the type of benefit you are receiving. It is also important to note that you can start receiving retirement benefits as early as age 62, but your payments will be reduced if you start receiving them before your full retirement age. Full retirement age is currently 67 for people born in 1960 or later. Additionally, you can also delay receiving your retirement benefits until after your full retirement age, which can result in increased monthly payments. It is recommended that you carefully consider when to start receiving your Social Security benefits, as it can have a significant impact on your retirement income. It is also important to keep your Social Security number and personal information safe, as identity theft and fraud can result in unauthorized access to your benefits. You can protect yourself by keeping your Social Security number confidential, monitoring your credit report, and reporting any suspicious activity to the Social Security Administration. In conclusion, getting money from your Social Security number requires you to be eligible for Social Security benefits, apply for benefits, and understand how your payments are calculated. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to protect your personal information, you can ensure that you receive the benefits you are entitled to and plan for a secure retirement.